Okay, so today we're diving into something that's super important for anyone on the PhD track,
Yeah,
writing those first emails to professors.
right. Those crucial first impressions.
Exactly. And we've got this great resource someone sent in, PhD Pathway, Insights and Strategies.
Hmm. Yeah, I've seen that one. It's got some good stuff.
It really digs into why that initial email can make or break your application.
Or absolutely. It's like the first step in finding the right mentor.
Okay, so let's break it down. This guide really emphasizes the subject line.
Right. Get that right, and you're already ahead of the game.
They suggest being super specific. Something like prospective PhD, student inquiry, your specific research area.
And don't forget to add the professor's research focus, too.
Why is all that detail so crucial right off the bat?
Well, think about it. Professors get a ton of emails, right?
Oh yeah, I can only imagine.
So a really clear subject line helps them filter and prioritize.
It shows you're not just sending out a generic email.